This is Irontrader. It is Tuesday morning. Now, the API numbers on crude will be out today at 4:30. And as usual, we are going to review here crude oil and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, buy the ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. All right, well, today, so far, we put in another higher high at 88.18. Yesterday's high was 88.15, so it's working it like a circus monkey here. But you're still just sideways action. You really need just to close above. So let's just take a look here at the downside first, okay? So first we want to look here is at this key 8 SMA here, okay? So you're sitting at 86.66. That is going to be very, very key support level here. Then we always look to the previous day's candles, your highs and lows. So let's look at the low is 86.71 here, and then we have 86.15 here, and then you always want to watch this candle right here because that was your breakout candle at 84.89. If that is lost here, then we just keep on following these candles right on down here. So you got a high is 83.69 here, and on this candle here, you got 83.46, and then we have your 82.72, which is your 21 day. Then obviously, you know, if that is lost here, then we just follow the candles all the way down here again. Here you have 81.48, you have 80.88, and then we come all the way down here to this 50 SMA here. You're sitting at 80 flat, okay? But, you know, now your RSI here is you're just hanging around that 70 area. You're in overbought conditions, but again, that can ride that level, you know, for quite a ways. It doesn't necessarily have to be like this, but always look for these divergences. See where you have the high here, and then you have a low, and then when you look up here, you have a low, and then you have a high. So you always want to look for that divergences. But right now, everything is just like flat line going across. Your MACD still looks good. Okay, so let's take a look here on the upside then. Now, if you can close above that price channel, well, the price channel is sitting at yesterday's high, 88.15, but today we went up just a little bit here. So then what you want to do is just look to the left of the chart here. Okay, that way you'll be able to find exactly where she's going to go here, okay? So you're looking at 88.68. On there we have 89.24. You have 89.84, and then this is the key level right here, this 90.10, okay? See, so you're looking right at this 90 area here. So you can see how many times it went up in this area right here, all the way across, okay? And then it bounced right back off. So look at that basically, well, it says 90.10, but look at that 90 area next. Again, that's going to be the first level if you can keep on working yourself up. Now, above that, well, look at this candle right here. You're looking at 91.35 here. You have 92.17. You have 92.87. But your big target up here is 93.74. Okay, that's where you put the double top in. Okay, so two levels to watch on the upside if it keeps rolling is this 90 area, and then you're basically 93.74. Your 94 area. Okay, so 90 and then 94 area. And then on your downside, watch this key 8 SMA here. Okay, it's right above it here, but what you don't want to do is have this roll sell below it here, and then you're fighting it here with these bear flags. Okay, so right now you just have sideways action here, little bit gains, but we'll see what the API report comes out today at. That's going to affect it, and then remember the EIA will be on Wednesday at 10:30. All right, let's take a look here on a weekly and a monthly. Okay, your monthly chart here, you're looking, you know, very, very good here. But of course, you know, we're very early here. This is the key level to what you have to really watch out here on your monthly. It's going to be this 21 day sitting at 86.87. That is going to be your key level here. Everything else you're right above, and even your 8 day here now looks like it wants to, you know, sideways to curl up here. So that's always good. But that'll also be your first key support level here if this does sell off big time. Now, here on your weekly chart here, well, again, we want to look here at your 20 or your 100 SMA here. You're sitting at 85.89 there on the downside. Then we want to do is look at this candle right here. Okay, you're looking at 85.02, But this is what you really want to watch here is this 8 SMA here. Okay, you're sitting at 83.55, but look how nice that is here. Okay, you had this 83.53 here. You put a higher high in here, but you couldn't close above, sold down, but you held all that nice, that 50-day and your 8-day and your 21-day, and now she's rolling up very nice here. So right now you're looking here pretty good here. Your MACD here is you still have a nice bullish crossover. That's nice. Your RSI here, you still got plenty of room to run here. So let's just not get excited here. Basically, what this is looks like it's going to be like a long trade here, which could just go up higher. But watch up on the upside, that 90.10 and then that 93.74. Now, again, eventually this will sell off here. And then once that 8-day is lost here, then we look at the 50. Then you look at your 21 SMA here. And then below that 21-day, there's your retest there, 68.91. This is all very, very key support. And it's lost 63.64. But right now, we have a really nice, good bullish pattern. And it looks like it just wants to run higher. But I think right now, for me, it's just basically small scalps per day here, unless, I don't know, this time of year for this to really blast off here. But then, who knows? Okay, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, here we got natural gas, your hourly and your 4-hour chart. Now, I pointed out this nice double bottom right there. Ran right on up here and then ran right into that 200 SMA here on that candle, okay? Came down, but you held this key level here, this 2.45 and 2.42. That's with the green candle. That was your nice big double bottom here. Now, when it sold down, it made a nice higher low at 2.5. That's always very, very good. Now what you want to do is look at that price channel, basically sitting at that 2.65. Like I've been pointing out, if you can get above this area here, this is the candle you want to get above on a closing basis, okay? If you can get above this candle right there, that's that roughly say 2.66. If you can get above that, then you got a good shot at retesting everything going all the way on up here. So this would be the next level you want to test right there. Okay, so you're looking at that 2.86, and then you could work yourself right on up here. But always watch these patterns here. See where you had the double bottom there, and then it held. See right here, double top. That means sell or short, however you want to do it. Okay, so that's what you always have to look at is these key patterns. Now, if you look at this here, okay, well, you got to really, on the hourly, your left shoulder, your head, and then we have a nice right shoulder here. So you could basically, if this can close above that 2.66 area, boy, she could rally up really, really nice. Let's take a look here on a daily and a weekly. Okay, your weekly chart here, you're basically pinned with here. But right there is your key support level right here, and then you want to watch this 2.65. So you're hanging out right at that 8 SMA here. If you can get above, well, there's that 2.86, and then you have your big retest up there here, sitting at 3.01. The key is to close above this candle right here at 3.02. That is right now where your 200-day is coming right on down. So if you can get this price here back above this 200-day, well, then we aim for that 50-day at 3.46, and then we have your 3.74 here. Let me just get this down here a little bit. We have this 3.76 there on your 200-day. That would be your upside targets, and then you could work yourself all the way on up here. But the key is going to be that price channel. You need to close above. Now, here on your daily chart here, well, there's your double bottom, that 2.45, there 2.42, there was your double bottom, ran up here, right there, double top, sold right on down. Now, what we want to look for is all this resistance. You need to close above all this, okay? So you got that's basically a 2.63, but you really need 2.66. Close above this candle right here, and then we can roll. Here's your target. There's your gap, 2.70. The bottom of this candle here, 2.735. That's the fill. So this would be the target right here, and then your 2.86, and then you could rally up to here at the 3.02. But let's just see if we can get through all of this, all these key SMAs here. But now you got plenty of room here. Look on the MACD, you got plenty of room to run up there. Your RSI, plenty of room to go here. So this is looking really good here, especially your MACD now. Looks like you're going to try to make a bullish cross here on this. So we just got to see how this is all going to shake out here. But off this double bottom here, and then with a higher low, that one held that 100 SMA here, and then boom, looking. This is just looking higher right now. So on the downside though, watch this key 100 SMA here. That's going to be key at 2.51, and then we have 2.5, and then watch that 2.45, and then there's your retest at 2.42. Okay, I'll have more for you on the old crude ski and natty gas after the pit close. Thanks for watching.